I'm Amy. Today I'm going to make tomato fried eggs. Let's see how I make it. Get 700-gram tomatoes, 2 peppers, and ginger ready. Boil water. Cut crossing on each tomato. Put tomatoes in boiling water for like 10 seconds. After tomatoes cooling off, start to peel tomato skin. Cut the top hard part away. And slice tomatoes. Put in a plate. Now peel ginger skin and cut ginger. Slice 2 peppers. Crack egg. I prepare 4 eggs. Stir. Turn fire on high. When the wok getting hot, add 2 tablespoons oil. Add 1 drop of egg to test the wok's temperature. It's hot. Add eggs inside. Turn over the egg. And break eggs into pieces. Don't want to overcook egg. Put egg in a bowl. Add another 2 tablespoons oil in wok. When the oil getting hot, add ginger and pepper. Fry them. When ginger and pepper get slightly brown, add tomatoes. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, and ½ tablespoon salt. Stir. Let it cook for 5 minutes. When the soup gets red and tomatoes get very soft, add eggs inside. Stir. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Put this dish in a plate. Looks good and smells good too. Eat a big piece of egg. Tastes very soft. Of tomato. tastes sour and sweet. Drink a spoonful of soup. It's very flavorful. I love it. It's very yummy. Eat with rice. Even better.